In this video, we will be taking a quiz on the phrasal verbs from our previous video. If you haven't watched that yet, check it out here. We will be taking a quiz on the phrasal verbs, including the word get. Let's get started. Make sure to keep track of how many answers you got correct and write your score down below in the comment section of this video. Do you and your brother The correct answer is get along. Do you and your brother get along? I need to for a few days to relax. I need to for a few days to relax. The correct answer is get away. I need to get away for a few days to relax. The flu last week. The flu last week. The correct answer is got over. I finally got over the flu last week. He, from his seat to greet the guests. He, from his seat to greet the guests. The correct answer is got up. He got up from his seat to greet the guests. If you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up. I need to my book from Sarah. I need to my book from Sarah. The correct answer is get back. I need to get my book back from Sarah. She tried to doing the presentation. She tried to doing the presentation. The correct answer is get out of. She tried to get out of doing the presentation. That rough time in her life. That rough time in her life. The correct answer is got through. She got through that rough time in her life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Let's get back to the lesson. I can in Spanish, but I'm not fluent. I can in Spanish, but I'm not fluent. The correct answer is get by. I can get by in Spanish, but I'm not fluent. What time did you last night? What time did you last night? The correct answer is get in. What time did you get in last night? That spider, my shoulder. That spider, my shoulder. The correct answer is get off. Get that spider off my shoulder. When they, the boat, they had a bad feeling. When they, the boat, they had a bad feeling. The correct answer is got on. When they got on the boat, they had a bad feeling. The thief, stealing thousands of dollars. The thief, stealing thousands of dollars. The correct answer is got away. The thief got away with stealing thousands of dollars. She is determined to in the company. She is determined to in the company. The correct answer is get ahead. She is determined to get ahead in the company. It's hard to the importance of teamwork. It's hard to the importance of teamwork. The correct answer is get across. It's hard to get across the importance of teamwork. He, on one knee, to propose. He, on one knee, to propose. The correct answer is got down. He got down on one knee to propose. Do you like the way I teach English? Check this out. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit. How did you? Photography. How did you? Photography. The correct answer is get into. How did you get into photography? Let's. The meeting so we can go home. Let's. The meeting so we can go home. The correct answer is get over with. Let's get the meeting over with so we can go home. She finally. Her bad habits. She finally. Her bad habits. The correct answer is got rid of. She finally got rid of her bad habits. We last weekend for a barbecue. We last weekend for a barbecue. The correct answer is got together. We got together last weekend for a barbecue. He kept hinting at something, but I didn't know what he was. He kept hinting at something, but I didn't know what he was. The correct answer is getting at. He kept hinting at something, but I didn't know what he was getting at. How did you do? Write how many you got correct out of 20 down below in the comments. If you didn't do so well, go back to this video so that you can practice these phrasal verbs more. Thanks so much for everything. I'll see you guys very soon. Ciao, my favorite blabanitos.